Hi, welcome to the Executive Leadership Program for CEOs. The life of a CEO is not very easy. I know that because I understand that while the brand and the visiting card is very heavy, but the way the conduct is, the way the expectations are of a CEO is a little difficult. Why? Because there are so many processes that have to be planned, so many strategy thinking that has to be done, so many interaction with employees, so many interaction with other stakeholders outside the organization, within the organization, so much of immediate reporting, so much of entire organization's responsibility on you. And people think it's a designation. But ask a CEO, it is not. It is a lot of pressure, it is a lot of work to be done, and a lot of challenge, of course. Come to it, the way AI is taking over the market, the way 21st century second quarter is coming up with all the challenges, things become even more difficult. I think for a CEO it is very important to understand that while they are knowledgeable and experienced, there are certain things which are always there to be balanced, and that's what a CEO is always asking for. And this is what this workshop is going to talk about. We're going to talk about how we balance the entire profitability, entire organizational growth process, and also employee happiness and the CEO happiness. We need to create a balance between all of that, and that's what we want to do. And this is the workshop's goal, to interact with CEOs, and let's see where we go with this. Let's see what we can learn in this entire process. So thank you very much, and see you in the workshop.